Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix link preview not showing in WhatsApp. Let's get started. First, make sure you have stable internet connections. Link previews need internet to load the website data. Always paste or type the complete link. If the link is incomplete, WhatsApp won't generate a preview. Then next, go to App Store or Google Play Store and update WhatsApp to the latest version. Old versions may have issues with previews. Not all websites supports previews. If the website doesn't provide metadata, WhatsApp can generate a preview. Next method is clear the WhatsApp cache on Android only. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, then WhatsApp, then Storage, then Clear Cache. Then restart the app and try again. Sometimes a simple restart fixes temporary glitches. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.